Hello there, in this video I'm going to show how to use Christmas Jumps mobile game template. I will create 2D URP template and now I'm going to import my asset. So I'll just select all of the files and then just hit apply. I have a dependency here from cartoon VFX, so for some particle effects in the example scene. So if you want to see all of the effects, then you would want to also install that package. It is free to use. Yeah, so I import it as a custom, so using assets import package, but when you will do it from asset store, then you will see actually here that it has dependency, this package. So let's just include that to our game or to our project. And again, I will just import everything. As you can see, after importing the cartoon FX asset, free asset, all of our console error is gone now, which is great. And so what do we have here? So I'll be talking about this Christmas template. So here we have example scene already that you can try. So first of all, let's change our aspect ratio to mobile landscape. Here's some Readme file that you can check it out with some contacts, so you can reach out to me if you want. And let's just see first, what do we have in the game? So as you can see, first we have this welcome screen where all of the decoration is seen on the Christmas tree. And this is actually instruction to our player how decoration should be put to Christmas tree or whatever you have in your scene, right? So then we can hit play and we can now start to control our character. With space we put our decorations, and with arrows we are jumps. As you can see here, when game is not started, in editor we can see mobile controls, but when we start the game then it's not shown. It's because in game UI controller, under the start function, we have this condition: if Unity standalone, then please disable mobile controls. And so if I will switch right now, for example, in the build settings to mobile, like here to mobile or WebGL or whatever else from the standalone version, then it will be seen. And then you can control your character using on-screen button. You probably recognized character from Kenny assets, so it is used here for prefab. And so let's move on and talk about how you create new levels and how this template is work in general, because right now what is in place. So we have this UI for pre-start menu, we have this decoration system. Then when we control our character, it can jump here on some obstacles, so you can add some jump booster, you can place your decoration, and if you misplace for decoration, then you will see that as you can see, then decoration will be placed in its nearest decoration position. Then you will see some effects and trails, and at the end you will see some result. Text is not seen right now, probably because I haven't installed Text Mesh Pro, so it's usually done automatically when we add like some Text Mesh Pro. Oh yeah, exactly. So when I import it, I haven't seen this prompt from Text Mesh Pro. So when you import this project, you want to import essentials. And I'll also import examples and extras just for fun. You probably already had that if you imported this project to your working project. So if you imported this template to your working project, then you probably already have done it. But yeah, since this is an empty project, then I forgot to install it. And now, yeah, as you can see, it's already a different level because we passed that level, it was completed, and now we have different level here. So if I'll hit play, now we can see some text in the right corner of the screen. So let me just put some decoration. Yep, and now we can see the text here. So we can restart this level, or we can hit play and its next level already appeared, and so on. So let's pause the game and let me show you how to create a new level, for example, because right now it's only 3 levels there and it's going in circle. So in the background, let's find these placements. And here what we can do, so you have multiple choices what you want to do, what you can do here. But basically you want to just create like any empty object. Let's call it decoration. And we want to add sprite renderer here. And then add some sprite. So I'll just use some decoration like yellow. And then we need to specify certain layer. It will be decoration. So now we can see it here. And after that, let's go back to our scene tab. Great. And so now we want to just place this decoration on the position where we want to see it on the Christmas tree. And so we can now duplicate these decorations like this. Fine. So let's say that our level will consist of these decorations put in this particular positions on the Christmas tree. So what do we want to do here? So, or what I'm doing here, usually I have some levels, and what I will do, I guess it's in prefabs, then decorations. Yes, exactly. I will create a new folder and I will call it level 3. And so I'll just drag all of this decoration to this folder. So I have level 3, and this is decoration that it's dedicated to this level, right? So now I can remove everything from placements, and I need to lock this project. And I want to have another project tab. I'll add it here. And so now inside our levels, so here we have some, here we have level configs, and you can create new level config with just create level scriptable object config. So we can do that, but what I will do, I will just copy, duplicate like existing level. It will create level 3 for me. Then I specify level duration, let's say it 45 seconds. I can change background. So I can either specify some background for this level, and then when we will place, it will be replaced with that background. Christmas tree will be the same. If you want to change Christmas tree, then it is here. So in the background Christmas tree, we have sprite for this Christmas tree, and you can change it if you want. Yeah, just make sure to add layer 3 to this one, and that's basically it. Also to have collider, triggered collider on the sprite. But yeah, basically you can just replace this sprite renderer and just make sure that your collider is matched with your new image, and that's it. Anyway, let's go back to level. Yep, so here we can change our background or duration of the level, and then decoration placement. So we don't touch decoration images, it's not in use here. So for now I'll just say that it's 0 because it's easier. Now I lock in inspector and I'm selecting all of the decorations, and now I'm dragging all of the decoration to decoration placements. So I'm saving scene, and also let's go to game manager, unlock inspector. So in game manager we are holding information about all of the levels, and here we want to just increment our level by 1, and then we want to drag level 3 here. Now, before we test it, let's select all of this newly created decoration and change the position to 15. So to make sure that it is shown on the screen. And so now let's hit play button. And as you can see, it is level 2 at the moment, right? So, and we're expecting to have this newly created level after this. So let's click play and then just position our decoration. By the way, if we are positioning or placing or putting decoration closer to decoration position, then we will have more score points. So you want to place them as close as possible to your decoration placement, right? How you set up the level. Otherwise, it will be just, run there and give you less score. So if we press play, then we will see these decorations now that we created. And so now if I press play and then I will start to decorate, we will see these decorations that we have just created. And you can create as much level as you want, and to make as custom level as you want. As you can see that you can put any sprite that you want as well. So when you do that, so first of all, yes, make sure to change your Z position of this decoration. That's the first thing. Another thing that you want also to make sure, at least how it's set up right now, that background object and also placements object, they both have position 0, 0 on X and Y axis, and you want to make sure that this position is not changed. Otherwise, when you will be spawning this decoration with your player, it might have some offset, and so then score will give you a different results, and you don't want to mess it up. So this template is mostly about generating these new levels and so on, but there's also some logic behind score, and how much score you got depends on how far you placed your decoration from decoration placements, from target decoration placements, right? And here it is controlled in the placements game object in the decoration controller. Here I assign the score 0, 10, 100 and 500 prefabs. It will spawn different text on the screen when we hit this decoration. And so all of the logic, so I put these 3 thresholds only. So best threshold, so how close we put decoration to decoration placement. So let's see, I'll open in the scenes. Let's say that this decoration on pre-start menu was here, and so then with our player, because we don't see it, we hit somewhere here, so it's probably in the best threshold. If it's here, then it's already medium threshold, and then if it's here, it's worst threshold, and if it's even further away, then we will receive 0 score. So based on the threshold in the placements here, based on these 3 thresholds, then our player will got different scores, 0, 10, 100 on 500. And so you can change, of course, that here under decoration controller. You can go to the script and you will find the place where to change it. There's nothing complex in that. Okay, that's it. I hope you like this. I hope you like this template, and I hope you will use it and create a beautiful game of your own that are ready for mobile. I'll appreciate your feedback, so give me some love. And of course, if you will have any questions, then you will find my contacts in the Readme file that are hidden just here in Christmas Jumps folder. Here it is. And also, yeah, so you can use this example scene, but you can duplicate it and then change it around, use different Christmas tree, use different UI elements. So just make this game unique. Using this template, you can create a lot of great stuff. That's it from my side. Merry Christmas, everyone, and see you in the next video.